Hey guys, Enchanted Engines are back. Let's create the new and improved Macerator. So this is how you build it, just like this. A little bit expensive to make at first, but it is worth it. So here we have a Magic Macerator. Now all you have to do is place it down on a piece of stone brick, and there we go, it is made. Now you got to make sure that there is room below it, just like so, and then whatever you throw on will get destroyed, perhaps, depending on the kind of block. So you see that stone brick was just turned into cracked stone brick, and the cracked stone bricks are just going to remain as cracked stone bricks. So it does know what kind of items are there, and it works for all kinds of items. Let's take a look at this. Alright, so let's just put a bunch of these things in our inventory. So it does work with any number of items. So if I put in 32 of those, then I will get 32 back, for instance. Any number at all, doesn't matter. But as a consequence of this, you can put in multiple stacks of items, but at the same time, you can't have like anything other than a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I put in 1 gravel, I can't get out 2 sand if I wanted to program it. So we throw in our gravel, and we do get sand after all. And sand is the minimum that you can get there. You can get your smooth red sandstone, and out pops the red sand, of course. And of course you can do multiple items at once. There we go, so it turns polished things into regular things. Let's go grab our stone, see what happens when we macerate the stone. And we get cobblestone, and if we macerate the cobblestone, we will get gravel. And if we macerate the gravel, we will of course get our sand. Same with the cobblestone walls, I believe. Yep, there we go. Get cobblestone and the mossy cobblestone walls. Whoops, that is a bit of a bug that might need fixing. That's okay though, that's an easy fix, just got to change one number. So, as far as explanation goes, same kind of concept as like the last 4, except instead of the 38-second timer, it's just testing if there's an item within the radius of the Macerator item. So this is exactly the same as flaming coal, except for that minor detail. That's all there is to it, and as far as everything else goes, it's just a scoreboard added to a cobblestone, or whatever item it is, and if that scoreboard is satisfied, then it's going to run an entity data command. Now we can't change the count, because if we do that, then I can throw in like a stack of gravel and get 2 sand, or throw in 1 gravel and always get 2 sand back. So that's not viable, but the good thing is that this works with obscure numbers, and it can work with multiple stacks of things. So let's just overload it with stuff, and you will see it's going to handle it quite well. Okay, cool. So that's the basic concept really. Okay, so you know how stone turns into cobblestone, and cobblestone's supposed to turn into gravel? Well, once it's done one, then it's not going to do it again. But this does encourage you to use your redstone skills. So let's just get rid of that and place some stone brick way up high, just like so. There we go. And we will place down our Magic Macerator. So the way that we're going to resolve this is by making the items get collected by a hopper. Okay, so let's show you the example. Throw on a piece of cobblestone, there we go, and you get our sand on the end. So it is a little bit buggy, but I think I should really fix this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But for now, thank you very much for watching this episode of Enchanted Engines. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat, because I do show some behind the scenes footage while I'm doing that. Yeah, cool.